I've been on the hunt. I have been on the hunt for this dunk. And it wasn't so much that it was hard to get, but it was hard to get, if that makes sense. It was just the fact that like my size, the one I wanted, every time I would go for it, it would always sell out. But your boy, your kid finally hit a restock, and the dunk that we were taking a look at today is the in the Cacao Wow colorway. Now, this release was for 2023, and in my opinion, I think that this one was probably the best GR that released last year for the women's. And I wanted my hands on this pair for a good minute now, and we finally got them, which means it's time to review these. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy. It is your kid. And I hope you're having a great day, and hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, as you can see from the attire right here, we got the Mocha Nike shirt on. I had to get my Mocha Arizona hat, and we have another unboxing today. I'm bringing you guys another sneaker review. Now, the sneaker that we are taking a look at, or the brand that I should say we're taking a look at today, is Nike, and we are taking a look at a Nike Dunk Low. Now, this was one for 2023 last year, and it was a women's colorway, and in my opinion, in terms of colorways for the women last year, this one for GRs was probably the best dunk. And when it first released, I wasn't able to grab a pair, so I'm glad I was finally able to go ahead and catch a restock on it. And that Nike Dunk Low is the Cacao Wow colorway. Now, with retail price being $115, the good thing about this dunk is that you can actually still find these over at retailers right now for, I think, like I said, $115, but it all depends on certain sizes. You can find it over at Shoe Palace, you can find this over at Champs, Finish Line right now, and online, mainly on Finish Line. But I'm really excited because I was really wanting this dunk, man. I was really wanting it, and I finally was able to go ahead and get it. So before we go ahead and dive into the Cacao Wows, I do want to go give you guys your shout outs, because you guys allow me to be able to, with these videos that I come out with every single day, you allow me to be able to really go ahead and stay consistent and motivated, and you guys are really supportive. So I want to be able to give you guys the proper kudos before we go into this review right now. So thank you guys so much. Let's get to it. Right, so first and foremost, before we even take a look at these Nike Dunk Low Cacao Wows, let me just say thank you so much for all the love and the support. In the last video that I made, I did go and talk about how we are now hitting that 4K mark, and so with that 4K mark, we are still going to be on the road to that road to 10K, but we are getting ready to hit that 5K mark soon. So I just want you guys to know thank you so much for all the love and the support. It does not go unnoticed, like it really doesn't. If you want to go ahead and get featured like you see right here, all you gotta go ahead and do is subscribe to the channel, comment down below. Also, don't forget to engage. Engagement is key. As long as you're engaging with the channel, I promise you that I will go ahead and feature you like you're seeing right here. And if you do want to go ahead and get featured, like I said, engage, comment, let me know how your day's going, let me know exactly what you want me to know, and I will go ahead and feature you like you see right here. So with all of that said, let's dive into these Nike Dunk Low Cacao Wows. Let's go. We did go ahead and grab this one over at Shoe Palace. They did do a restock and it was online, so I was able to go ahead and hit on that. And retail price, like I said, was $115. Let's go ahead and grab the Noif of choice, Supreme, and let's cut into it right now. And yeah, like I said, out of all of the colors that dropped for 2023 last year, this was one that I for sure wanted to pick up. I wasn't able to due to the fact of, you know, this high demand. You're not able to go ahead and grab a certain amount of shoes. And then on top of that, people were charging like a lot of high prices on this. And I'm like, there's no way. But now if you look at it, like they're going pretty much everywhere at retail. And you can even get them at retailers. So you just got to do your due diligence and just go ahead and find them to go ahead and grab them. I'll leave a link in the description where you can check them out too. So looking right here, as you can see, we do get a Nike box, all red, nothing crazy, nothing fancy. We get the all red box with the Nike logo in the middle right there. Let's go ahead and pan it so I can go ahead and read you guys the size description, and let's check it out. We got the women's Nike Dunk Low Sail Cacao Wow Coconut Milk. This is a size 12 in women, and if you do the conversions, that is a 10.5 in men. The SKU code on it does read DD1503. 1, 2, 4. I'm gonna pan it. If you have any more questions on like sizing or you have it, comment down below, let me know, and I will try to get back to you to help you as best as I can. But take a look at the size description right there, and then let's go ahead and actually pan this. Let's get in frame, and then let's go ahead and get everything right. So as we go ahead and we pull up the lid right here, we got nothing too crazy. When this is a receipt, I think it is a receipt. We do. We're gonna put that right there. Nothing crazy. Get your all white tissue paper like your normal standard dunks come into, and then as we pull it back in a 3, a 2, and a 1, here we go. Right there, we got the left right here, and this is the Nike Dunk Low in that beautiful cacao wow color. And I like this one because dude, the mocha hits on this, it reminds me so much of a coffee bean, and especially how they went with a sail midsole. Oh, we're gonna talk about it right now. We are going to talk about it. Let's go ahead and pull out the other one right now. Boom, here we go. Right here, we got the Nike Dunk Low in the cacao wow colorway. And let me just tell you, these things are wow, literally. So let's go ahead and look at the right and the left. Oh baby, we're gonna look at the right one today. We are gonna look at the right one, and not gonna lie, I'm going to probably need a double up on these, but let's go ahead and check it out. So starting from the bottom of the outsole here, you get an all nice mocha brown outsole, and then as you can see right in the middle, like in all of your dunks, it comes with your Nike logo right there in the middle. As you come up to the midsole right here, it might be a little bit hard to tell in the camera, but it is a sail midsole right there, kind of giving this kind of like a aged, dirty look a little bit, and I do like that, especially with the colorway of choice they went with this. Looking at the front of the toe box, you get a white plush toe box right there, and then as you get hit with these panels, you do get hit with that brown mocha panel right there, which is actually very clean. As you come up to the swoosh, you do get a nice brown swoosh. You get hit with more of your mocha cacao wow brown hits right there. As you come up to the back of the shoe right here, you do get hit a Nike stitch right there, the logoing, and then you get hit with more of your cacao wow right there. As you come up to the toe box, as you come up as well, you do get hit with more of your brown laces right there, which I honestly think was a great choice. I think going with a brown lace with this was a good one, giving it a little bit different from the white. Then as you come up to the tongue right there, the tongue does have that Nike logo, which is done in that cacao wow brown colorway. Very nice. Let's go ahead and take out the shoe tree. And then as we take out the shoe tree, as you can see in here, you get an all cacao wow brown insole right there with the Nike logo right in the dead middle right there. So this is pretty much the entirety of the shoe. I mean, we reviewed a lot of dunks all over the channel, and this one is very nice. I have to admit, like this one, like I said, out of last year for 2023, the women's, they got treated really good with this color. And I've seen so many like women wear it, and I'm like, I need to grab that pair. I was like, if they have a size 12, I'll grab it. And sure enough, they restocked, and I did go ahead and grab them. So do let me know what you think about the cacao wow Nike Dunk Low. Are you gonna be trying to go ahead, and have you been on the hunt for them like me? Have you grabbed them? Have you passed on? Let me know how you feel about them. And yeah, I'd love to hear all your engagement because it's really important. I'm gonna go ahead and break away to an on feet review, but before I do want to give you guys a closer perspective. That way, if you are kind of like on the fence of like, you know, I've been seeing them too, but I kind of want to see how the review is, and watching this review right now is actually helping with that. It will assist you with purchasing said product. So let's go ahead and take a look at it right now, shall we? So here we go. Right here, we got the Nike Dunk Low Women's Cacao. Wow, man, the ladies, they always get treated really well with the colorways. Not saying that us men get treated good as well, but they always get that like they get that up notch on the level of the goodness with their colorways. So take a look at the outsole, take a look at the side panels. I think this was a great color, like a really great color. I'm looking forward to seeing more colorways like this. If I'm not mistaken, I believe we are getting another brown color this year. I'm not entirely too sure. I've seen a couple mock-ups on it. I don't know exactly how it's gonna look, but yeah, this is definitely, as far as GR dunks for last year, these are for sure my favorite this last year. So I'm gonna make sure I can try to get myself a double up because these are very clean and I need a couple more fits and wearability. I mean, you know, they already matching the hat, as you can see. So with that said though, do let me know what you guys think about the Nike Dunk Low in the Cacao Wow colorway. Is it a drop or is it a drop? Let me know. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, this has been the review over the Nike Dunk Low in the Cacao Wow colorway. Do let me know what you guys think about them. The on-feet review is getting ready to come up right now. I greatly appreciate you guys with every subscriber, every comment, every love. It is seriously like important and does not go unnoticed, for real. We are now racing to 5K subscribers, so that's crazy. I think once I get to 5K, I'm actually gonna do something special, like a giveaway. I may partner up with like the brand I've been telling you guys about, like Distorted Rebels, and we may do some sort of giveaway for you guys, because dude, your guys' love and support is tremendously appreciated. So this has been your boy, this has been your kid, Nephrite. Hope you guys have a great day. I hope you have a lovely day. Remember, there's only ever gonna be one you, so be the best you. And until next time, I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Gems with the heat.